Chief Electoral Officer ke Jelam Meghalaya uba FR Kharkongor ule pentip bagi Election Commission ke India kelepen benar ban penlong ya kejing tap vote bat kajing nyaw vote na kebentak Election MP Syakaraja Sabha haka kat kendai trik menta ubnai. Ulong bahagian election kidan argut ki kertong ki banyakun ki bakentup yau kertong ke Seng Kongres uba Kennedy Sikriem bat u kertong ke NPP u Dr. WR Karluki. Ubah FR Kharkongor ulong bagi MLA ke Jela ke Beshim betah kejing tap vote kin hak ban vote renti i kejing betah banedana kejing sapriang u kenyang jengpang COVID-19.
Kini candidate kini kumju kita gila dei ki bala pass ke scrutiny but ki kerteng jong kiru gila long published as the official candidates te yakato ka process kam dan jingta air because ka election commission ka la betha ba kita ki states ki bala adapt ya kene ka process ki dogi candidates ki ne kumjo mda ka sa stang ka polling kata ka polling gila penbe ka nai tarik jong benai jong hangnya po meglaya le ngila de penlong ya ka budget session ru te naliang jong ka assembly ru because kene ka location jong polling station ka de kene ka assembly te kila don lupa kini ki protocol santo kila bo lupa ki sanitizer kila don ki thermal scanner tapre kala don hi ka kenja arrangement kala don lupa because of the budget session hindrai habadei but kene ka COVID-19 bede kene ka social distancing hapo ka polling station ngila ya ngila prepare kini protocol ba kini ki seating arrangement jongi polling officers karukom ban tap vote ru kan long strictly in compliance with ka COVID-19 protocol but ngila penlong ko ka hands on training min last Friday kaba along with this COVID-19 protocol Manailang jong election commission ru kila request ke state government back in post you senior nodal officer na health department uban page but bakini arrangement kilong consistent name but ka COVID-19 protocol tingiru ngila tho shiti state government bakin sumbaban IOU officer na health department uban don rengkat ban ngi hagi training but haga sngi jong ga tap vote ba baro ki protocol jong COVID-19 kinlong strictly observed ti ko mengitip akani ka Rajya Sabha election kinong tap vote ki MLA tingidan reu pungut ki MLA tingas ngau ba kanum don jing adu kata ta ban observe ye kini ki COVID-19 protocol tinginget ba rengkat ber training but rengkat ber ki ni awareness berkhan ngila ban observe ya kini COVID-19 protocols